In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Buffer browser extension for faster posting. By the end, you'll be able to share and schedule content directly from your browser while you browse, saving time and keeping your posting consistent. First, open Buffer. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. If not, take a moment to sign in so everything connects smoothly once the extension is installed. From your dashboard, look toward the navigation area and click Settings. This is where Buffer keeps all the tools and preferences that power up your workflow. Inside Settings, choose Apps and Extras. This section collects Buffer's add-ons and integrations, so you can extend what Buffer can do without leaving your browser. Here, look for the Browser Extension option. It's typically easy to spot, and it's the one we want because it adds a share button right into your browser toolbar. Click Install Extension. This will send you to your browser's extension page to finalize installation. Follow the prompt your browser shows, confirm the install, review any requested permissions, and complete the add-on setup. Most modern browsers will place the Buffer icon near your toolbar once it's installed. If you don't see it right away, open your browser's extensions menu and pin it so it's always visible. That way, the share button is ready whenever you need it. Now open any website or article you'd like to share. This could be a news story, a blog post, a product page, anything that makes sense for your audience. With the page open, click the Buffer extension icon. A small composer will appear, automatically pulling in the page title and link. From here, choose the social channels you want to post to. You can tailor the message, add relevant hashtags or notes, and if the page includes images, pick the one that best fits your post. If you highlight a snippet of text before clicking the extension, many browsers will pass that highlight into the composer to help you quote it neatly. When you're happy with the post, decide whether to share now, schedule it for a specific date and time, or add it to your queue. The queue option is great for keeping a steady cadence without thinking about it every day. Once you confirm, Buffer handles the rest. That's it. You've installed the Buffer browser extension and used it to quickly share content right from the web page you're viewing. With this setup, you can curate, schedule, and stay consistent without ever leaving your browser.